Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying essentials: battery and fuel, brakes, lights. These prevent failures mid-drive. Once confirmed, adjust seat and mirrors so you have clear sight lines and select the appropriate drive mode for road conditions. Next, press the brake, engage ignition, then release the parking brake gradually while still holding the brake pedal to avoid rollback. Make sure to monitor dash indicators as systems initialize. If a warning persists, pause and address it before moving. Once moving, feather the accelerator to apply torque gradually so traction stays consistent. Abrupt throttle can unsettle the chassis. If the Alexander 23 uses a manual interface, slip the clutch briefly for clean shifts. Otherwise, let the transmission manage transitions in automatic or CVT modes. Keep eyes ahead to anticipate braking and steer inputs, and make lane changes with purposeful checks of mirrors and blind spots. Also watch RPM and speed, so you avoid lugging. To finish, choose a safe, level spot and bring the car to a complete stop. Shift into park or engage the handbrake, then shut the engine after returning to neutral if applicable. Make sure to lock the vehicle and glance under for any fluid leaks or lingering dashboard warnings, as these indicate maintenance. If you experience stalling, persistent warnings, or loss of power, stop safely, switch off and restart the ignition to reset systems, and inspect fluids and electrical connections before driving again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.